Pating Reviews presents CUK ASUS TUF GT301 gaming PC with an i9 processor and 32GB of RAM. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. If you're looking for extremely good pre-built PC for gaming, then I definitely recommend that you check out this computer. It's truly a beast. The rugged design of the case itself is pretty amazing with the colored fans inside. The 32GB of RAM will help you play any game you want without any issues or any slowness. The GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card is amazing in it as well. I've had nothing but good experiences so far with this computer. The delivery has been great. The PC has been running smoothly and cool and fast, and every game I try to play on it runs at high to ultra high settings at 60 plus frames per second. If you're looking for a great pre-built computer, I definitely recommend that you check out this one. Here's a bit more information about this gaming PC. The brand is the Computer Upgrade King. CPU model is a Core i9. Computer memory size is 32GB. Graphics coprocessor is an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. The processor is an Intel Core i9 10900KF 10 core processor. 20 MB cache, 3.72 GHz up to 5.3 GHz. 125 watt liquid cooled. RAM is 32GB of DDR4 2933 MHz. Hard drive is 512GB NVMe solid state drive. 2TB 7200 RPM hard disk drive included. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 8GB GDDR6. Motherboard is a Z490. Power supply is a 750 watt gold PSU. Operating system is Windows 10 Home x64. Accessories include a USB AC Wi-Fi adapter and a wired LED backlit USB gaming keyboard and mouse. 3 years limited warranty as well. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.